Hello everybody, welcome to MTX. We're located here at our brand new location. We're located here in Greensboro, North Carolina. And today we're gonna be looking at a brand new 2025 BigTex 7x14 heavy duty telescopic gooseneck dump trailer. This trailer has a lot going on. Not only is it at an amazing price point, it is packed full of features. This trailer has everything you need for your job. Not only does it offer efficiency, it also offers a style unlike any other at a good price point. The floor length on the dump is 14 feet, and the floor width is 6 feet and 11 inches. Its GVWR is 15,900 pounds, and its payload capacity is 11,250. It has 6-inch sliding ramps, 24-inch tall sides for the dump, and the sides are also 10 gauge. There's a lot going on with this trailer, so let's look deeper into the features that it offers. The first thing we notice on this trailer is the gooseneck. It's a big beefy gooseneck that's operated on an I-beam frame. And right here you can see the amazing BigTex logo. And you have two drop leg jacks that are both 12,000 pounds, and both of them are manual. And under here you have our storage. And as we go behind the storage, you can see the telescopic lift. And behind that is the tarp. And as we get down, you can see that there's LED lights on both sides for the front. You can see the I-beam frame continue down for the trailer. And as we look up, you can see the stake pockets on both sides. And we also have a spare tire mount. And as we look here, we can see the diamond plated fenders. And back here, you can see the stabilizer jacks with the LED lights, pull out ramps, the barn doors. And as we look forward, we can see all the space that it offers. And it also has 4D rings inside the dump itself. This is a really big, beefy trailer with a lot of features and a lot going on. Perfect for any job that you need it for. Again, we're located at our brand new Greensboro, North Carolina location. We just opened up and we have a lot of trailers in stock. If you're interested in purchasing this trailer, please call or text the number down below or visit our website at www.mtxtrailer.com. We also offer financing on any and all of our trailers that are on the lot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you on the lot.